Video editing is easier than it's ever been before, especially when you're only trying to make small changes. If you're looking to trim a video file, whether on a computer or on your smartphone, here's how it's done. To trim a clip on Windows, open your video in Windows' Photos app. Click Edit and Create in the top right, then select Trim from the drop-down menu. From the editing screen, select your clip length using the timeline along the bottom. Drag the left dot to trim the start of the clip and the dot on the right to trim from the end. You can check playback on screen to view if you've got your right spot or not. To check your edit, click on the play button to preview your edited clip. Once you're satisfied, click Save As on the top right, name your clip, then choose where to save it. You can use QuickTime on macOS to tackle the same thing. Open the clip in QuickTime, then click on Edit on the top right, and select Trim to start editing. You'll see a series of frames surrounded by a yellow frame with a left and right handle. To trim the clip, drag the left handle to trim from start, and the right handle to trim from the end. To make sure you've got the right spots, the video will move frame by frame while you're dragging the handles. To check your edit, you can click on the play button. Once you're satisfied, click on Trim to trim the bits you've chosen to delete. On iOS, you can trim clips in the Photos app. Just open what you want to edit in Photos, then tap on Edit in the top right to start. From here, just tap and drag the front and end handles to trim what you want, just like in QuickTime, then play to preview your edit. Once you like what you see, tap Done to finish your edit. If you ever want to clear your edits, just tap on Edit, then Revert. On Android, trimming videos natively can vary from brand to brand, but using Google Photos is a surefire method. If it's not already installed, just tap on the link in the description below to get to the Play Store and install it. In the app, tap on Library and search for the video you want to edit. Once you've found it, give it a tap. Tap on the screen to bring up controls, then select Edit. From here, the process is pretty similar. Just tap and drag on the front and end handles to trim what you want, then play to preview your edit. Once you're satisfied, tap on Save a Copy. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering editing and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.